Hi guys, and welcome back to another review on the Detailing Detectives YouTube channel. Today we're reviewing the Cyclone Snow Foam from MonsterShine Car Care. We previously did the fallout remover from MonsterShine and we was quite impressed with that. So yeah, we're going to see how this performs today. We've got a car outside that hasn't been washed since probably November last year, so it's not too mucky, but all the road grime from over the winter is still on there, so we need to get that off. So I thought it was the perfect way to test this out and see how it performs. So a little bit about this product. Last year when we got sent the fallout remover from MonsterShine Car Care, now it's time to test this out and see how it goes. So this you can find on the MonsterShine Car Care website. Prices are from $7.99, which for a snow foam, that's really good value. So hopefully it performs. Okay, so just reading the instructions on the back. So it says apply 1 inch of the Cyclone Snow Foam into the snow foam lamp and then fill the rest with water. And then cover the car in a good layer of snow foam and leave to dwell for about 5 to 10 minutes. It's been raining outside, so I don't know whether the snow foam will stick as well as if it was a dry car. But we'll see. I'll leave it to dwell as long as I can, but I don't want it to dry or run off like completely before I wash it off with the power wash. So let's put this in the snow foam lamp. I'll show a few shots of that. So we're going to apply about 1 inch, which yeah. Okay, so now we've filled the snow foam up. It looks quite red in colour, which looks quite cool. So we're going to go outside, start the application process. So first impressions, the snow foam went on quite quick, and especially it was a wet car, the snow foam is clinging onto the car quite well, so hopefully that means that it's soaking into all that dirt that's been there for the last 3 months. So hopefully when I power wash it off, we're going to get a nice cleaner car with most of the muck and dirt removed, which will be great. Let's power wash it off and then let's see what the results are. pressure washed that off. To be honest, it has cleaned really well. So that gives us a nice clean or cleaner base to start with the 2 bucket method, to make sure that we don't induce any more scratches or dragging dirt around the car. That shouldn't be there really. So just another point, so I did use quite a bit of snow foam, but we've used about half of the from the snow foam lance, which, considering it's wet and I wanted to cover the car really well, isn't too bad. So I could clean this car again with that, so value for money there. So I'm going to show you some shots of the car now, how well it's cleaned. I think it's cleaned really well. So yeah, here you go. So that is the review of the MonsterShine Car Care Cyclone Snow Foam. My overall thoughts, really well. It has cleaned a lot better than I expected, and the prices are really good. So prices start from $7.99. I'll put all the links below for MonsterShine Car Care and the link to this on their website. So yeah, go check them out, and if you try it, tag us in your photos, or just send us a message and let us know how you get on. Thanks for watching, guys. Please remember to like and subscribe for a lot more videos and reviews to come. The next video, we're meeting with the guys from Crisp Automotive, just having a sit down and seeing what they're all about and how we can work together over the next few months and see what we do really. So basically we're gonna go and see what they do, so at car shows and reviews and their blogs and vlogs. We're going to help them start their YouTube channel and sort of try and grow that, and hopefully by doing that then we'll grow both our YouTube channels and both our social media followers, and hopefully get a lot more people to watch what we do and understand what we do. Okay.
Alright folks, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to YouTube and add us on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter.